In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting in Power BI visuals step by step. Enhancing your data visuals with color not only makes them more appealing, but also helps in highlighting important trends and data points effectively. So, let's jump right in and explore how you can easily set this up. First things first, you'll want to start by selecting the visual you want to work with. This could be a bar chart, a table, or any other type of visual available within Power BI. By selecting the visual, you're essentially telling Power BI which data you want to apply the conditional formatting to, providing a canvas for these dynamic color changes. Next, we need to dive into the format pane. To find this, ensure that your visual is selected. On the right-hand side, you'll see a pane with properties and styling options for your visual. This is where all the magic happens. The format pane offers various customization tools that enable you to change everything from the font size to the background color. However, today our focus will be on conditional formatting. Once you're in the format pane, locate the conditional formatting icon. It often looks like a small icon or three dots next to the data or fields you can format. This icon is your gateway to adding those insightful color scales, data bars, or icon sets that reflect the underlying data trends. Clicking on it will reveal a few different options. Now we come to choosing a formatting style that best suits your needs. There are several types of conditional formatting styles you can apply. For example, if you're highlighting sales numbers, you might decide to use a color scale, where the highest values are shaded in green and the lowest in red, making higher sales figures stand out instantly. This transformation not only brings clarity to your data, but also ensures quick recognition of patterns, helping you and your audience draw insights at a glance. Remember, the aim is not just to make the visuals look pretty, but to ensure they communicate the right story. When deciding on your formatting style, think about what will make important information pop and how different color schemes might affect the readability for those viewing your report. It's always a good idea to keep accessibility in mind. Opt for color contrasts that are easy on the eyes and discernible for all viewers, including those with color blindness. By following these steps, you're equipping your Power BI dashboard with a powerful tool, conditional formatting, turning raw data into a visually engaging narrative. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to apply conditional formatting in Power BI visuals. I hope you found this guide useful, and don't hesitate to come back to this video as you practice this process further.